Denny said he was just trying to learn for
Bruh.
Oh, no!
Bruh.
Crash on the back straightaway takes out William Byron, Kyle Busch, and Harrison Burton. Dylan, where will he
Dylan's
go?
gonna get there.
Bruh.
Oh, into Almirola. Around he goes.
Good. Hang on to it, bud. Hang on to it.
White flag under green. Next flag will end the race, and Newman is there.
Newman's gotten locked onto his rear bumper just like he did. Oh, wrecking behind Chase Elliott.
To the inside. Here comes Hamlin up the outside.
Wow.
Crash into the wall, into the air. Goes Newman.
Stenhouse Jr. back to the front. Another hood flap flies off.
Bruh.
There goes the 18.
Bruh.
The 42 collects the 17 as well. The 62 upside down. Brendan gone upside down as he went back in front of the pack.
We're wrecked here, guys.
Bobby Labonte's in it. Stratty's in it. Jeff Gordon down to the ground.
Nothing else coming from behind you.
With him, McDowell in tow. Dylan on the bottom.
The run's on top. Teammates.
Around they go, and a hard crash. Kyle Busch.
Larson